Well, we'll start from the energy space where the Eco Electricity Distribution Company has held its Consumer Engagement Forum for customers in Alimosho and other communities in Lagos. The company's managing director, Dr. Tinua Adesanda, who was represented by the Chief Commercial Officer, Mrs. Rikiat Momo, says the cost of accessory of installing distribution transformers are often higher than the price of the transformer itself, and they want communities and security agencies to help protect all electrical facilities across the state for efficient distribution of electricity supply. Also speaking, chairman of the district, Mushin, that's IKDC Consultative Forum, promises to sensitize the community on the ways to become watchdogs and prevent such ugly occurrences and also prevent energy theft across the board.
To engage the Musi district customers and its environment. So today we are trying to showcase what we do in ECO, and the meeting was very educative and informative. We need to increase the engagement. We need to engage more with the communities. On the customer side, they are better informed, they are better educated, they know all our processes, and they are happy with us.
Within the community, we put up a community security services individually within each CDAs to be the watchdog of their properties, which is the cables and the transformers. So for now, we have sensitized all our community members about the theft, and anyone caught will face the rule of law. So there is no way we can, just allow such things to go lie low, because it affects us and it will affect us more, and it's even dangerous for our people within the community.
Hello and welcome to TVC News this hour. Let's begin this hour in Kenya, where President Bola Tinubu is taking part in the 5th Media Coordination Meeting of the African Union in Nairobi. As the chairperson of ECOWAS, the Nigerian leader will join heads of state and government, foreign ministers of the AU member states and high-level dignitaries at the media meeting. The president will present a report on the status of regional integration in ECOWAS, highlighting actions carried out during the period under review by ECOWAS institutions, member states, the private sector, and other stakeholders to deepen integration through trade, free movement of persons, investment promotion, infrastructure development, peace, security, and stability. The meeting, which is convening under the AU's theme for 2023, is tagged Acceleration of African Continental Free Trade Area Implementation. President Tinubu will be accompanied by the senior government officials and is expected back in the country at the conclusion of the meeting. Back home in Nigeria, where the National Judicial Council has recommended Olukayode Ariwola Jr., son of the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Olukayode Ariwola, for appointment as a judge of the Federal High Court of Nigeria. Ariwola Jr. was recommended for the Federal High Court bench alongside 22 others who passed the screening and interview of the council. In a statement by the Director of Information of the Council, Soji Oye, on Friday, the NJC also sought appointments of one Honorable Kadi Muhammad Aminu Danjuma as Grand Kadi for Kaduna State and 4 other Kadis for Kano State's Sharia Court of Appeal. The recommendation for the appointments was made at the 103rd meeting of the Council, presided over by the CJN, Justice Olukayode Ariwola in Abuja. All recommended candidates are expected to be sworn in after the approval of the NJC's recommendations to the President and their respective state governors and confirmation by their state houses of assembly, as the case may be. Now, the report of a purported appeal by the federal government against the judgment of a high court of the Federal Capital Territory sitting in Maitama district of Abuja, which discharged and acquitted the president of the Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria, Innocent Bola Audu, has been described as false and misleading. Counsel to Mr. Bola Audu, Babatunde Adiwusi, at a media briefing in Abuja, said the report was to mislead them in order to deny him his rightful office and leadership of the association. Mr. Adiwusi appealed to media professionals to verify their information to avoid eating up the polity. The court had a few months ago cleared Mr. Bola Audu of human trafficking charges brought up against him by the National Agency for the prohibition of trafficking in persons. In the judgment, Justice Charles Agbaza held that the prosecutor failed to link the Bola Audu and 3 other defendants with the human trafficking offense.
Emphasize that Comrade Innocent Bola Audu has been duly discharged and acquitted of all charges previously made against him. It is believed that these charges were maliciously sponsored by individuals who unlawfully interfered with his tenure as the National President of Association of Senior Civil Servants of Nigeria.